In front of me is Poco F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then click on one of those themes to apply a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. You can also customize it though by going back to the same settings and this time using this plus under my themes. Now click on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!